back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel you guys are going to start to see beauty videos, home organization, lifestyle videos, vlogs, what else, fashion videos, home decor, renovations. I have that coming up. So if that interests you in any way, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. So this is going to be a two-part video, and we're going to organize my pantry. Listen, my pantry is a disaster, and a lot of the stores were sold out of the items I need, so I'm waiting on things to come in. So we're just going to make this a two-part series, and we're going to start with my baked goods pantry. I have so many cabinets that I'm not really using for anything, so I'm just kind of using this one as my baked goods pantry. And it doesn't help that I have a little 1-year-old running around messing up things on the bottom shelf of the pantry, so I kind of have to keep things in here too, but it's working out just fine. It just needs to be organized, you guys. So I bought all this glassware from, where did I buy it from? World Market had a sale for 40% off or 50% off, one or the other. So I went ham, you guys. I bought a bunch of stuff and I'm ready to just get organized. We're all at home, you know, not really much going on. So now's the time to get it done. Okay, so we're just gonna get started with taking everything out, wiping down the shelves because I'm pretty sure there's leftover crumblets of whatever. And then we're gonna start transferring stuff in these glass bins, and then we'll go from there. So here's everything I pulled out of the cabinet. So what I'm gonna do is figure out what can go in the jars, and then we'll put things back and make it look pretty. So I kind of remember the sizes I bought in the jars, and I'm looking at how many ounces are in some of these items. So I know exactly which ones they can fit in. So I have these little jars that I'm not using for anything, so I thought maybe I could transfer what's in here inside these jars, and then I only have a little bit of these chocolate chips left, so I think I'm going to transfer whatever's left into one of these two. Just put these to good use. So I think I'm ready to start putting this stuff away, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So I did label everything with a Sharpie marker, which is not cute, you guys. So we're gonna get rid of that with some rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna use these custom decals by my girl Chaz. She has a super cute Etsy shop called Crafts by Chaz Shop. I'll leave a link down below of her Instagram and her Etsy shop. She has some really cute things on there, and she can also take custom orders, so hit her up. And don't forget to let her know I sent you. So this is gonna give my pantry a more custom look, and it's gonna look more put together. So that's everything for part 1 of my pantry organization video. If you guys enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, and thumbs up if you guys are excited for me to tackle that beast. I'm a little bit nervous about that. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.